Hey everyone, we're going to take a quick look at my visualization. First, let's look at the data. It's just a C++ program that calculates the roots of a quadratic equation. And in particular, we have all these helper functions and this sort of main function that does the majority of the calculation. So let's take a look. So this default view is just going to be the call hierarchy. All of the functions, we see a list of them, and then we also see a force simulation with all of the graphs, or with all the functions as nodes, and these links between them being calls. In particular, we can see that our most important function ends up being in the center, and these helper functions end up being towards the side edges, and we can see that maybe we could get rid of this divide or this square since they're only called once by one function. We can also click on these functions. So if we click on main, we see instead all of the variables that end up in main, and we can look at in particular variable nodes within the graph. This becomes more interesting, however, when we click on quadratic equation, which has a return variable. So our graph is organized by return variable, and all these leaves end up being our arguments. And we can again highlight each one of these, and we can see that if we click on A, that it actually appears twice in the graph because we're trying to organize it in a way that's easy to see the dependencies and not just, and we don't care about repeating nodes. If we click on denom, we can see that this is only dependent on A, is only used to calculate X, so maybe it's something that we could get rid of in our program. So that's my visualization. Thanks.